Okay, I'm going to balance the fan that I just installed. Here's the balancing kit that came with it. So I got a clip to find out exactly what blade you need to stick one of these weighted tabs on. Hopefully I'll only need to use one, but we'll find out as we do it. So let's go try this out. Alright, so here's the fan. I installed this a few weeks ago, 2 or 3, I can't remember. It had a little bit of a shimmy to it. There, it's shaking. There's the shimmy. Alright. So another thing that could cause your fan to be wobbly is just loose hardware. If you're suspecting that could be the case, then you're going to need to take your fan apart and retighten everything. Alright, just pick a blade and then you want to put it right in the middle. And it says to put it on the trailing edge, which since it's spinning this way, the trailing edge would be the one that's following, the one that's in the back. So, and it's a tight clip. Hope it doesn't scratch anything. And then we'll start it up and see if it shimmies. Alright, that didn't do it, so let's go on to the next blade. Alright, so I found the one that took away almost all of the vibration. So I'm going to shut her down, and then I'm going to move it inward and outward to see which way gives me the best results as far as the vibration. So I'm going to try inward first. Going inward actually made it worse, and I'm going to try going outward. So closer to the edge. Let's try it. Okay, so having it outward actually was about the same as having it in the middle. So I'm going to check it in the middle again and see how it feels. Okay, so it actually did seem better when it was on the outside of the blade, on this blade. So now I'm going to take this weighted pad here, the sticky pad with a metal weight on it, and I'm just going to stick it in the middle on the top side there, and then that should take care of the wobble. If you have any more wobble, then you just, with that weighted pad there, just do the whole process all over again with the clip, and then hopefully that'll get rid of any of the extra wobble you still have. Alright, so there's where I stuck my pad. It's right in the middle on the top, and it's closer to the outside edge because that's where I got the best results. And make sure you clean the surface where you're going to stick it before you stick it down. So let's try it out, make sure it works good. Alright, so it still has a little bit of wobble. It is still a little bit excess after putting the weight on the fan blade that made it the best. Go ahead and repeat the process again. The kit comes with 3 weighted pads, so you can just follow the process again with another weighted pad until you get the desirable amount of wobble out.